to take advantage. I am wearing clothes, by the way. I don't know if you could see. And then I have this cute little cashmere sweater that I'm gonna drape over my shoulders. Having a me day, a girl day. I don't really have plans. I drove to the mall and I'm gonna go to Sephora and just pick up a few things. I want to get a perfume, a new blush, a setting spray, and some hair oil. And then after that, I'm gonna just probably go drive by the beach and just kind of see where the day takes me. Yeah, so let's go. Thanks for joining me on this vlog. It's been quite the me day. I went to Sephora, I went to Anthropologie, and I went to a coffee shop, one of my favorites locally here, and I just went for a little walk along the beach or the coast, I guess, and I kind of just sat and enjoyed the silence and the sounds of nature, like the waves crashing and the birds and the fresh air. It is so beautiful today, and I just feel so lucky that it was so beautiful on my day off, because it isn't always sunny and warm. It is usually overcast and extremely cold. At least for me. People in England are probably like, you don't know what cold is. I'll do a little haul for you. Let's see. I got the Soft Pinch Rare Beauty blush. I won't open it, but it's in the shade Happy. And this is the third time I've purchased this. I don't think that you should have to purchase this 3 times. I just have broken it twice. I took it with me to Japan and it completely shattered during travel. And the time before that, I also took it to travel and it shattered. So this time, this is exclusively going to be staying at home with me, and then I will take the liquid Charlotte Tilbury blush when I travel. Even though this is my favorite one and I like to wear it every day, but I can't keep breaking them. It would be great if they had a mini one. I don't know if they already do have one. And then I bought my favorite Makeup by Mario setting spray. This is the Surreal Skin Soft Setting Spray. This is my favorite. This is better than the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish. This is amazing. I bought my favorite hair oil, which is the Kerastase hair oil. This is amazing. I have fine hair, but I do have long hair, and I find that I've tried a lot of hair oils and they really weigh my hair down, and they make it stringy and just heavy and greasy, and I don't want that. And this is kind of like my treat myself purchase, which is kind of silly because I'm always treating myself. But I bought a new Rhode little peptide lip tint. The one that I have now is in the shade Salty Tan. So it's kind of like a mauve, and this one's more of a baby pink, which looking at it in the viewfinder, my husband's gonna be like, girl, why are you lying? Those are the same. That's so funny. And then from Anthropologie, I just got one thing, and it's kind of weird that it doesn't come in a box, but whatever. They gave it to me in this little suede pouch. It's the Pharmacie Tous les Jours Côté Vanille. I don't know. It's vanilla. And I've purchased the travel size before and I love it. It's just a beautiful vanilla scent, and I like to smell like a baked good all the time. I'm gonna end up spraying in my eye. Ah, it smells so good. I don't know what it is, and people have issues with like smelling like vanilla in the summer. I just saw somebody that I know pass by me. People have issues with like smelling like vanilla in the summer, but this, I feel like this is good for winter, summer, spring, fall. It's just so good. Highly recommend. And my camera is dying, unfortunately. I really wanted to talk to you guys about life and where I'm at in life right now. Basically, the summary is that I crave to be in my femininity. I want to create. I want to make things with my hands. I want to be outside. I want to take care of things. I want to take care of myself. And I just want to focus on that and be in that era of my life and accept it, because for a long time I grew up where that kind of wasn't how I was raised. I was raised to be strong. I was raised to take care of everything by myself and be in my masculine, I don't know, in my masculinity. Not to say that women can't be breadwinners and have nice things and nice cars and travel and all that, and that makes them masculine. That's definitely not what I'm saying. I just grew up a different way where we didn't really talk about our feelings. We just kind of persevered and got things done. And if you didn't have anything to do, you better find something to do. And I don't want to do that anymore. If I have time to be bored, I want to be bored. I want to be at home bored. I want to be in the sun, on the beach, with nothing to do. And it'd be okay that time is passing and I'm not accomplishing a task. And I find that that's very common. I don't know if it's a cultural thing or a thing in like women, or even women who, you know, were the elders in their family and had to take care of siblings or things like that in the house. And I just want to say that it's okay to take a break, and it's okay to treat yourself to a cute little day where you go to Sephora and you go to a coffee shop and you go to the beach, and you don't always have to be accomplishing something. When I get home, I'm going to get some tasks done, but the thing is I needed to do it before I left in my brain, but that's not true, because the laundry's still going to be there when I get home. I could still do it when I get home. I didn't need to do it immediately before I allow myself to go enjoy myself, enjoy my life, enjoy. No, you don't need to earn your own life. Like, so backwards. But yeah, that's it. I have truly loved that I took today to just enjoy myself and be present, and I want you to know that it's okay if you want to do that too. That's it. Hi vlog. So I'm feeling a little silly, but the other day I went and got my husband and I smoothies and a smoothie bowl, and it cost like $38. So I was like, wait a minute, why am I not making these at home? We typically always have fruit, but we didn't have a blender. So, girl math, instead of spending $38 on smoothies, one time, buy a blender and all of the fruits and veggies that I want to make a smoothie, so that I can have smoothies all the time and all week. So yeah, I just spent way too much on produce and a blender. So I'm gonna start to chopping.